Hi, I'm Max Mishakov. Today I will show you 3 effective and contemporary tools that will help you sing on pitch. First of all, singing flat might happen for 2 reasons. First reason might be just the lack of singing technique, and we are not regarding this today. Okay, the lack of coordination between your vocal cords, breath support, your muscles, and so on. The technique. And the second reason is your ear training. So when you sing, you have to remember each note in your mind first. You have to hear it before you sing. And that's what we are going to talk about. And I will show you how to develop this using effective tools that you may download on your smartphone. So the first tool is the oldest one and the most conservative. It's you take your piano. You may download a piano on your iPhone, on your Android, and you may practice like that on the go, in the car, and anywhere. So you practice like this. You have to sing first and then check yourself each note one by one. You sing the first note, check yourself. You sing the second note, you check yourself. You sing the third note, you check yourself. I'm not a perfect person. This is the first technique. The second one is using Vocal Pitch Monitor or Nail the Pitch app in your iPhone. So in this technique you see your notes and you do the same, but you see what you sing. And if you are a little bit flat, you may correct yourself, like I'm a little bit flat. I'm not a perfect person. Now I'm okay. You can see. You may also use this on the go, in the car. And the last thing is using a recorder, again in your smartphone, on Android or on your iPhone. It's called Music Memos. There is a factory app, this one. So this one, okay, the black one. And the most incredible thing is that you may combine this. And for example, you start from the piano thing. You remember the notes with the piano. Then you check yourself with the recorder. And you hear yourself and pay attention to your weak points. Then you may sing it with the piano again. Check yourself with the recorder again. If your weak points are the same, you may use the Vocal Pitch Monitor and learn how to fix this weak point. Okay, so combining those 3 things, it's incredible. It will give you good results in just a few days. Thank you for watching. See you.